Hey YouTuber, today I want to show you the quickest way to replace the headlight bulb on a Grand Cherokee 2014 all the way to 2021. First thing first, you come on the driver's side. You have to loosen this air intake clamps. You loosen this air intake clamps. You take this cover off. Don't forget to disconnect this vacuum hose. Then you have to take the cover off this. You're gonna see the air filter. You remove the air filter and you remove the housing on the bottom. It's really simple and easy. Then you're gonna gain access right here for you